In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a community in Microsoft Teams. Sometimes you join a community in Teams that you no longer need to be part of, or maybe it was created for a project that's now finished. Whatever the reason, leaving that community helps keep your Teams workspace clean and focused on what actually matters to you. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process step by step so you know exactly where to click and what to expect on screen. First, open Microsoft Teams on your computer or mobile device and make sure you're signed in with the account that's a member of the community you want to leave. Give the app a moment to fully load and then head over to the section where your communities or teams are listed. This is usually on the left side of the screen if you're on desktop, or in the main navigation if you're on mobile. Next, look for the specific community you want to leave. Take a second to confirm it's the right one, especially if you're part of several communities with similar names. Once you've found it, hover your mouse over the community name if you're on desktop, or tap and hold if you're on mobile. You should see an icon with 3 small dots, often called the More Options menu, appear beside the community name. Click or tap on those 3 dots. This opens a small menu with additional options related to that community. In this menu, look for the option labeled Leave Community. The wording may be very similar, and it's usually grouped with other actions like managing settings or notifications. Go ahead and select Leave Community. When you do this, Teams may show a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to leave. This is to prevent you from leaving by mistake. Read the message carefully, and if you're certain this is the community you want to exit, confirm your choice. After you confirm, Microsoft Teams will remove you from that community. You'll no longer see it in your list, and you won't receive messages, notifications, or updates from it anymore. If you don't see the community disappear right away, give the app a second to refresh, or switch to another view and then back again. And that's it. You've successfully left a community in Microsoft Teams, helping keep your workspace organized and focused on the conversations that matter most to you.